Have you been wondering how you can make that perfect butter bread? Oh my goodness, I have the recipe for you. This was perfect, soft, and above all, very delicious. Trust me, you will love it. If today is the first time here, my name is Lena, and welcome to my kitchen. We do easy cooking recipes here, and trust me, you will love it here. So please do not forget to follow or subscribe for more videos. It is free. Just look at that. This was even 2 days after. Let's get started. So I have with me here my 1 cup of milk, and I added 1/4 cup to it. Okay, so now I've added a tablespoon of yeast, a tablespoon of sugar. I'll go ahead and mix it, place it in a warm place for 10 minutes. Please, I beg you, watch with sound, and also please watch the full video so that you do not ask questions that is already in the video. Okay, thank you so much. Now after 10 minutes, I'll go ahead and add my 3 cups of flour and then mix it very well. So before we mix it, I will add my nutmeg. That is just a teaspoon. Okay, if you are old here, you can realize that I don't like using nutmeg. I have a reason, some personal reason to that. Okay, yes, but today we are just going to add just a teaspoon of nutmeg and then a pinch of salt. So I am mixing it very well to get that dough. Okay, so please watch me. Thank you so much, and please do not forget to follow me on all social media platforms at Exhibiting Mommy's Recipes. I'll be very happy. If you want short videos, please watch me on TikTok and Instagram at Exhibiting Mommy's Recipes. It's the same name. Thank you so much. Okay, yeah, thank you so much. Now we have mixed it, and this is what we have. You can see we have perfect dough, and we are just going to work on it. So on my clean surface, okay, I'm just going to sprinkle some of the flour on my surface. I'm using all-purpose flour. You can use bread flour, you can use bread flour or all-purpose flour. Okay, so this is all-purpose flour, and I'm just going to add a stick of butter to that, and then knead the dough very well. Have time with your dough. If you are lazy with kneading, trust me, you are not going to get that perfect bread. Okay, so always have time for your dough. So I'm going to knead it to get that soft dough, just like how you are seeing on the screen. If you knead the dough and you see it nyama like this, or maybe pacha like this, please, you are on a correct track. Okay, you are not off track, you are on the right path. So please, it will come together. So as you can see, it looks very soft. I'll just add maybe a tablespoon to my dough. Please do not add the distance to it to become barry like my head. So just knead it and make sure it becomes very soft before you proceed with the next thing. Okay, yeah, or the next step. So if you can't knead it like the usual one, you can just hit it on your work surface as how I am doing it. It is also very simple if you do it that way. As you can see, it looks very soft and perfect. Very soft. It is not barry. Okay, it shouldn't be barry like like iron rod. Okay, so I realized that it is still not ready, even though it is soft. Now it is ready. I'm just going to shape it, and then we will continue. Are you still with me? If you are still with me, let me see your hands in the comment section. Give me too sure in the comment section. Yes, so now I'm just going to cover my dough and then keep it in a warm place for 30 minutes, just 30 minutes. Okay, yes, so we will cover it. This place is very warm. because I've changed my room temperature and I've placed it in a on a heat, so it's very warm here. I'll just cover it, and after 30 minutes this is how it looks. It has increased in size perfectly and it looks very smooth and soft. I'll take some of the air out and then bring it together. I realized that the dough looks very bigger than my can. Okay, so I'm going to cut some and then put it in another bread pan. Okay, now after we are done, we are going to just shape it very well to fit or to suit the bread pan perfectly. So I'm just going to spread it like this. I learned something from a fellow content creator, Myself's Kitchen. She placed the pan beside the dough so that he can get perfect dough to fit the can. I always prefer to give people their honor. Okay, if you learn something from someone, don't be ashamed to say it because you don't know everything. Okay. So she placed it just behind or beside the dough as you are seeing to get the perfect length so that it can fit the pan perfectly. So it will not be deformed. Okay. Yes, so I'll just wrap it like this and then make sure I get perfect one to fit the pan. Then we can continue. Thank you very much. If you are still with me, I cherish you so much and thank you so much for your time. Okay, I do appreciate it. As you can see, not that when I tell me being made it at the end, but I always want beautiful things. I want to always get something beautiful, but not to do it biara. Okay, just to do it anyhow. So not that I'm playing in the video, but I just want to get that perfect bread that we all know. Okay, so I'm going to cover this with my napkin, which later I changed to the cover. Okay, I covered it for an hour, and after an hour we are just going to bake it, and trust me, it was perfect. I can't wait to show you the outcome. So the heat was 350 at 40 minutes. Please, I beg you, study your oven. Okay, so after 40 minutes this is what we have. Just look at that soft, beautiful bread. It looks exactly like the one who prepared it. Of course, I'm beautiful. Okay. So just look at that. So soft, beautiful, delicious. Trying Thank you so much for watching. Until I come your way next time, I love you.